Hey guys, what's going on? Just a quick, intro here. I'm editing the video as we speak, but I had a quick vlog of me and getting my PC upgraded. My buddy Iggy took care of me and got that all set up. Master whiz of tech. He can do anything. I mean, he builds PCs, he builds crazy sound systems. So anything technical, that's the man. He has, fearless heart. His job is to put in glass and like skyscrapers and new construction. So this man's on the side of a building, hundreds of feet in the air. So man has a balls of steel and he has a brain like a genius. So appreciate you, Iggy, hooking me up and taking care of me. But yeah, in the video you guys will just see I'm getting some things installed, upgrading my RAM, my storage. I got a nice stable state now. I got 64 gigs of RAM, and then of course a new CPU, my Ryzen 5900. So we got a new cooler for that as well, which you can see behind me here. In the video, I talk about needing a controller to be able to turn the RGBs on for that box you see in the background, and then these fans here, which that allows you to keep everything cooler, because the stock fans, which you can see in here, aren't enough. But those are able to be controlled by the top of the computer. There's a button there. You can see it's lit up. That button controls. That's a nice look too. But I got the fans, the stock fans on the top and on the side, and then the new fans are right here. But the PC comes with basically a built-in controller, but that cooler does not. So we got the cooler controller now, so you can see everything's purple. We got everything to match. You can go on with a app and change the hue, kind of like color grade it to your liking. So we got as close as possible to what the stock ones look like. Again, I didn't have a real plan for it. It was just a vlog, so I didn't make an intro video, but just something that you guys know what's happening in this one. But yeah, he killed it. This thing is freaking crazy now. It still has the 3060, which is amazing. You can see it glowing in the back, but yeah, that's more than enough for what I need. And then trying to go any higher to like some new stuff, like I think they're in a 4000 series now, like a 4090. I just don't need all that, and it's not really compatible with a lot of stuff quite yet because it's just so brand new. So I mean, yeah, it's not worth it for me at least. Maybe when I start gaming super heavily and that stuff's been around a little bit longer, we can get something like that and not have any issues as far as picking your RAM and everything you need. But yeah, this thing is kicking. I love it. So I've been editing on it, and it's been phenomenal. I'm able to actually edit and drop videos back onto my PC after they export with no problem. So that right there is 90% of my problem. The other one was just kind of slow, going from say editor to PC or PC to editor. Now that stuff is quick. I mean, still going stuff like say off my phone, it's a little slow, and then my SD card, even though I got this new box here for my SD cards, which is a lot faster than the other one I had. But upgrade as you need it, and I'm really happy with that. So yeah, guys, G-Skill Ryzen is now installed. Thank you, Iggy. All right, guys, my boy Iggy got it under the knife. This 3060 is coming out. We got some new stuff I showed you in my video. That's what's going in. I'm upgrading my RAM so I can start running those issues. Got a nice solid state, and then this Ryzen is going in. So it should be pretty good. And then we got some new fans to keep it nice and cool. Yeah, this is a true father and son gaming house. Look at these decks. All the Peanuts crew, or Charlie Brown for you really young people. But Peanuts is the original comic book name. That's sick. What is that?
Oh, that's my boy Kevin. Like he's a professional skateboarder. That's one of his pro models.
Man, that's sick. At first I thought it was Prince of Persia, and then I got close. I was like, what the heck? Nah. I'm digging that deck. That's so me. People call me a conspiracy theorist, but that's so me.
What? Oh, bro, big time, bro.
That's the perfect day. If I had the balance to skateboard.
I had a lot of fun skateboarding, bro, growing up.
Like, I'm trying to get like his son. Like, look at his son. This is his son's setup. Like, he's sitting on stuff like most grown men don't get a chance to game on.
That's fast.
This is fire. You got the double screen set up. He probably gonna be doing some stock market stuff soon. It looks like he's ready to do it.
He should be fucking on Roblox, bro. He's funny as hell.
And then of course, big boy set up over here. I want one of these here. He had different stuff in here. He had like Dragon Ball Z and a few other things.
You want. Yep.
I'm trying to get set up like that.
What do you mean?
And this is water cooled too, right?
Yep. That's
they have the black lines.
It's got a 3-fan radiator.
Yeah. This shit's kicking. Curved screen, y'all see it. It's a 2024 shit. Yeah. They're going too. I've not seen this outside the case.
Huh? That's nice. That's EVGA, bro. That's nice. It's nice.
I never noticed it had the little emblems on there on the gear.
Oh yeah, that's EVGA. Those little E's. Sorry, bro. You got to, bro. You gotta let the world know, G. You gotta let them know.
Hey, it's fresh.
You gotta let them know.
And it dropped the price because of that. Yes, sir. Now I got some RGB sticks.
Right.
It's gonna be nice. And finally do some fast edits for y'all.
I had it right. Just gotta click it. She blows.
Yes, sir.
And you never want to push down hard if you don't know if it's like, if
in there, snap it.
Is it hurt to pull it back out and just look at the little in your alignment? See, like I have it wrong there. You flip it back around.
It reminds me of the days of Sega Genesis.
Oh yeah, you click stuff
if you didn't put it in the right way, the inside was kind of like the same thing, and it would just bend.
It's funny, bro. I found a Genesis in the trash, bro, and then like, I found like one baseball game for it. My mom ended up throwing it away. It's got like thermal pads on it. That's how you know it's good.
Oh,
so just dissipate the heat.
I thought you always had to do with the glue.
Oh, you put that on the thermal paste that goes on the actual CPU.
Okay.
But like this right here's got a bunch of little chips and shit on it. You know what I mean? This is like your memory, not your memory. This is your storage.
Mm-hmm.
And it gets pretty hot because it always. I've actually thrown away a lot, but like my whole wall used to go like all the way to the top, like from boxes of like shit.
The stuff, yeah.
Like now it's like just the stuff that I keep like for like warranty shit on my wall, like all my personal stuff.
Oh, that's crazy when you buy stuff and you don't even open it. This is the first time this box has even been cracked open. I didn't look at it. Oh, look at that radiator.
Six.
Yes, sir.
That's the new one or whatever. I don't think it's got like that thing like it's supposed to. I know they took it off and I'm jealous. You see, like on his, he's got like that pouch on his.
Oh, I see it right here.
Yeah.
It's like
They revised it.
Yeah, because they have that stuff on like the Xboxes and stuff. I guess the Surge Protector or something like that. Yeah, and it's crazy that matches my tower perfectly, white on white. Yeah, guys, and we got the other fans up top now. So we kicking. We got a CPU fan here. We got these fans here, and now we got those.
This one's got an LED header. Motherfuckers be calling you, why my shit overheating?
You know the plastic
shit up, bro. I'm not joking. This is super common, bro. Look at the drum.
We got a little of that Diddy loop.
So I got all the baby.
Just getting ready.
Got it right there. Put it right there. 3D down here. Oh, Diddy.
Now I would probably get my finger stuck to that stuff.
Easy money.
We adjust. Those new sticks around shining. I gotta get a external controller. That way I can get the lights on these fans, and then also that back in the back we'll be able to have RGBs that are controllable. Obviously they're not gonna come on without that controller, but Everything else lit up. I probably don't need it with my stigmatism ass anyways. We get these crazy ass fucking cluster headaches, but if I get it, I kind of want to use it. All right. He convinced me to take the plastic off that I had on there since I had this computer. The little thin film is so much clearer. Look at the hue and the light now. That shit's fire. RGB RAM sticks. Even again, that's gonna light up here in the back, and then my fans over here are gonna light up once I get that external controller. That way we can mess with the RGBs. Cause this comes with the with the case and the lights, where I can change the RGB colors just from this button up here. So it's gonna be the same setup. It's just a controller that allows me to hook up to those RGBs and turn them on and off and go through the color scheme. But it's looking good. Hook me up with fat. I got that external radiator look, that old school Japanese race car. Yeah, buddy. Now I just need a custom paint on this.